Yo, check in. Watch your settings right now. Watch your settings right now. I'm gonna try to fix the AC on the car, you know? I'm gonna change them gear, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna try to fix the AC on the car right now. Why music then? Music. Watch your settings. Yeah, no trouble. No troubleness right now. AC shop right now. And my AC condenser that I ground this and I'm a pressure test. See if it a leak. You think it a leak, but inside it not leak, so that's alright. But right now I have to pull out everything out I carry. I have to do with AC. Every single piece of thing we use to do with AC I have to pull out and make sure it's clean. Because your AC not work for so long. There. Bored, but not really there for video. Because it's a slow process. But slow and steady. We gotta test the pressure. Radiator, take out, take out the radiator, but we gotta test the pressure. Watch out now. He did a leak a while ago and he fixed it. I don't know how he fixed it. But a dangerous youth to work on, you know. See me? Original. Yeah. And a sound one too, you know, but I couldn't know what going on with the sound. Because I have got carry sound come and send me come play out of the bar and something. But it don't look like we have no more leak. I see the watch I up on 70. Let me see. 70. Yeah. 70 PSI there. If really good, you know, I'm not too used to them gauge, but yeah, good. We don't put nothing on it, we just a pump here in it and see if it's a wally and it hold it. Alright, now here lock off it, you know. I amount. When you put in it, it's still in it. But let me show you what me there. Yes, some there. Yo, man thing official, you know, man. Look for the man sign, the man sign big. See it? Yes, over there. Right, White River. Yeah. And White River, I don't know if I sent me or sent Ann, but I write two of them. I think they say I bridge, so that means I would have sent me with it. But I yes over there. See phone number here, yo, see phone number there. Yo, I still have phone number here. Yo, I still have phone number here, though. Yeah, man. Put 876 on it. And it good. Anything to do with AC in a motor vehicle. If you can't fix it, sell a car. A 3 car do for a morning, you know, and do this for a morning too, you know. But this done already. Some water that run off it. And then do the F-150 there. The F-150 there done. That done. This done. Yeah. I'm going to do the Benz, Skype. See Benz down there, sir. You do the Benz, but not today you do the Benz. You do the Benz already. Bad Benz, you know. So if you can't fix the AC when you come here, sell a car. Yeah, that look like my good this now. I don't see nothing. Where I go on? So you know say sound car go up and running. I see it now, vacuum system, you know. You use this and pressure test it. Use this and pump air in the system and pressure test it. See that still not drop pressure. Let me show you no good, yeah. See that? Pressure not move none at all. One place there. That means we don't have no leak. No leaks. I don't fretting a good while me there, and I'm fretting. That's why I don't make no video because I fret. But you up and running. Alright. That good. Have a good drink.
2020. Beyond!
They say a 2020 a worse year, but a better year for me.
Me too, that this year ain't for me.
A better year for me. See how with other people, right? That is coming from St. Mary. coming from St. Mary, and right before you reach White River Bridge. And coming from Ocherias, as you go through the stoplight and cross the bridge and enter in St. Mary on the reach. So you don't know where to find it. And if you can't fix the AC, sell the vehicle, me say so. Sell it. And that's something here. Why? Yesterday gone. Today is a new day. Still a fix AC. Find out say the AC compressor too old for the car. The old. Now I can't manage the AC what I want right now. It's not cold enough. Get AC but it's not cold enough, so I change the compressor. So link better wheels and get a compressor. So and me way to watch race right now. Me all run one ads while me I go watch it. Yeah, that's me can flick on. Normal. Me go circle the town, run off the ads, and then me go put on the AC compressor and me supposed to good. Normal. Now this is trouble. See that instead of fling out this, he say no good. So we take out it. And we put in a new one. So I go gas up again and get a test run. See if find them there out of the door. Find out install back in it. We have to install them there before. Yeah man, we have to fix the AC. We have to fix the AC. I see him place with that. See him place with that. Yo, I'm gonna check in. AC cold. Yo, AC cold like a. Wish me couldn't show now how cold it is. You see how me and then dirty? Me have to get involved in our work, you know. Put it up on number 4. I'm going number 4 alone at work. So I want him to fix it as he can work on 1, 2, and 3. But me I tell you it's cold. Well cold right now. Cold. Blow. Yeah. AC is back. Know how much years AC not working at the car, yeah? AC is back. But I have to go pull down under this, so that thing can get for fix it. Speed them. That's work on all I speed them. Yeah. That's how AC man I can fix everything, you know, man. Yeah. So that height now, I pull down them there for a minute. Them 2 sitting there, so I'll go under this and fix one set. You know this home sweet home. AC cool. Well, all the seat then cool, all the pole cool, everything cool. But AC nice. I know it work on all I gear them. See there? And one it depend on it a blow. One. It the second speed. Cool. Oh wow. Yeah. It work on all speed. Oh, I can't get nice, you know. I swear. Look at AD we're gonna get nice. Up here, so update pan up here, so. The windscreen flick out the rubber out of this. You have to tape up it with the yellow tape. Or green tape or whatever they call it. Juka tape. The rubber come out. I call the windscreen man and I tell him say I want him come put him back the rubber, but like him busy, so I have to just wait until he. I have to just go and tape you up for now. BS. Hey, sometimes your ball if you sit down in a ball feet, you don't know where your ball find, man. Why me I tell you, could I'm still a play bass hard, you know, man. Yesterday I go watch it, when me there watch it and crack it. A crowd. I tell you, crowd in a Peter King Lane. Crowd. And now see it there? Rubber fly out. That's how you go. You don't break, you don't have it to fix. We're going to fix it.